Hello mga ka-trending, welcome back to ZK Trend. Personal na tinanggap ni Donnie Pangilinan ang kanyang award sa 21st Gawad Tanglaw. Na-receive nga ni Donnie ang natatanging Gawad Tanglaw para sa kabataang Pilipino na nagsilbing huwara ng kabutihan, kamalayan at kahusayan sa larangan ng media at ng komunikasyon. Sobrang maraming proud kay Donnie dahil talaga namang si Donnie ngayon ay isa sa mga tinitingala ng kabataan. Tumatak rin ang naging speech ni Donnie sa naturang pagtanggap niya ng naturang award. Ayon nga dito sa ilan nilang komento. Congratulations on the Gawad Tanglaw Award, Donnie. The title Tanglaw ng Kabataang Pilipino truly fits you as you live your life in a way that inspires others and uses your platform to make a positive impact. Keep up the great work. #Donnie Pangilinan. There's no better person to receive this prestigious award than Donnie, who is the embodiment of walk the talk when it comes to charity, his political and religious views. Congratulations, Donnie. Congratulations, Donnie. You truly are a man who matters. Thank you for using your voice, inspiring others, and making a real difference.
Ginagawad kay Ginoong Donnie Pangilinan.
Speech. Good evening po sa inyo lahat. Kumusta naman kayo? Okay naman kayo? Maraming salamat po, Gawad Tanglaw, sa award na to. Thank you as well to my ABS-CBN family, my Star Magic family, my real family, Pangilinan family. Thank you so much for being a part of my life. At pagsasabihin ko dito. This is such a humbling recognition. Honestly, I'm still figuring things out myself. I still have so much to learn. I still will make mistakes. I am and will always be a work in progress, so this is very much appreciated. Maraming salamat po. Katulad ng sinabi ni Tito Noel, it's been a crazy year in the Philippines, to say the least. Minsan nakakawalang gana pag nanonood tayo ng news or yung mga trending sa social media. Madali na lang isipin siguro kung ganito na lang ba talagang bansa natin. Pero para sa akin, kahit hindi pa natin kayang baguhin yung buong bansa natin at ganun lang, kaya pa rin natin maging ilaw sa maliliit natin mga mundo. Sa pamilya natin, sa school, sa trabaho natin, at syempre sa maayos na pagkikitungo sa kapwa natin. And honestly, you don't need to be powerful, you don't need to be famous, you don't even need to be perfect. You just need to walk through life together and be a bit more kind to one another. Maraming salamat po. God bless.